Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Docker. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, there are always ways to optimize your workflow. We'll be covering some powerful tips and tricks that will make your containerization journey smoother and more efficient. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Docker Compose. Instead of managing multiple individual containers, Compose allows you to define and run multi-container Docker applications. This is a game changer for setting up complex environments like web servers, databases, and APIs. Saving your configurations in a Docker Compose.yml file simplifies deployment and management immensely. Next, mastering Docker files is crucial. Don't just copy-paste examples. Understand each instruction, from run, copy, cmd. Leverage multi-stage builds to create smaller, more secure images by separating build dependencies from your final application. This significantly reduces image size and attack surface. Let's not forget about Docker volumes. Persistent data is key. Volumes allow you to store data outside the container's lifecycle. This is vital for databases or any application that needs to retain information. Properly managing volumes ensures your data isn't lost when a container is stopped or removed. Efficiency is key, so let's discuss Docker image optimization. Always use specific tags instead of latest. Clean up unused images and containers regularly with Docker System Prune A. Consider using tools like Dive to analyze your image layers and identify areas for reduction. Smaller images mean faster pulls and deployments. Finally, security is paramount. Run containers with the least privileges necessary. Avoid running as root inside your containers. Scan your images for vulnerabilities using tools like Trivy. Regularly update your base images and Docker itself. A secure container is a happy container. And that's a wrap on our Docker tips and tricks. We've covered Compose, Docker files, volumes, optimization, and security. Implementing these will undoubtedly boost your productivity and make you a Docker pro. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content.